Attention, struggling marketers searching for digital money-making DIY solution? Introducing a brand new PLR product that you can brand and make your own, without having to spend weeks and a fortune on product creation. Effective Content Marketing. Content is king. Evergreen Title. 4,500 plus words of content. Instant download. Full rebranding rights. Ready to be monetized. Click here to secure full resell rights now. Hurry. Only one copy left. Why grab this PLR package today? A never seen before, 100% done for you package ready to resell. Properly researched hot niche selling like pancakes, we've done the research. Fully integrated sales funnel with all sales material. Just push a button and sell. Slap your name on it and claim it as your own. All the content for your articles is made for you so you keep 100% of the profits while doing none of the work. Finally, build your buyer's list effortlessly. The content marketing path, to choose or not to choose. To attract a large audience for your digital empire, you need to create and share content of high standards and shareable values. Obtaining repeat sales and converting the customers into prospects is the key objective of content marketing. Our content type tells about our niche, too. The internet marketing adage, content is king, continues to reign true for those seeking to gain higher rankings and increase traffic for their website. Just like every square foot of a commercial real estate property is worth money, so is every space on your website. The difference is that the open spaces on your website need to be strategically filled with relevant keywords that will feed the search engine bots what they are seeking. If the search engine algorithms are satisfied, then your website will have higher rankings, thus driving in free, organic, and targeted traffic to your website. It is important to underscore the relevance of the content. In an age where internet search engines, and technology corresponding to search and browse functionality on websites, is getting more and more intelligent, the internet marketer has never been so motivated to secure relevant and high-quality content for their sites. No longer will content that is barely relevant to the site continue to score highly in Google's new algorithms. Enrich your audience's well-being and increase your profits with minimal effort. According to the Content Marketing Institute, 70% of B2B marketers and 86% of B2C marketers surveyed use content marketing in some form or other. And it's no surprise. If done well, an effective content marketing strategy can grow brand awareness, bring in new customers, drive revenue, and most importantly, help guarantee brand loyalty, conversions, and growth. But IT should not be like this. It's imperative for marketers to start building content as soon as possible, and have a plan about how you're going to use IT. Introducing private label rights to effective content marketing. Content is king. Article package. It's all about the content. Earn some serious dollar while also helping your audience patiently nurture their way to success. Because content marketing is important. It answers your audience's questions. Your content marketing efforts will help you build trust with your audience, improve conversions, and generate leads. Today, customers expect high-quality content from the brands they love. Our content cuts through the noise, fuels your brand and drives results with campaigns powered by industry-leading content creation strategies and distribution teams that take your prospects through the buyer's journey and become long-term partners. This suite of solutions-based articles will show you how to create amazing content. Now is the best time to build your list in the personal development niche, build traffic, get attention on social media. Your possibilities with the contents are limitless. Convert into educational videos, post on social media, make small reports, and the list goes on. Our done-for-you suite of articles can be tailored to fit your needs. Here is what's inside Effective Content Marketing PLR package. 10 compelling articles focusing on specific issues which your audience may be facing and will easily address their main concerns. Titles of the articles. 5 reasons people don't read your blog, 433 words. 6 reasons why your social media strategy is not working, 431 words. 6 steps to making a content marketing strategy that will boost your business, 415 words. 10 ways to make social media posts that get engagement, 419 words. How to make some good side money with content marketing, 434 words. Content is king. A strategic approach to internet marketing, 534 words. Content marketing, the 3 stages you should know, 669 words. Effective content marketing strategy for small businesses, 384 words. Marketing your online content, 438 words. How to make some good side money with content marketing, 434 words. This is over 4,500 words of written content, which would cost over $3,000 if you outsource it. For subscribers to this evergreen niche, receiving these articles is a major relief. Take a sneak peek at one of these amazing articles. Change their life forever with practical solutions. Content marketing is trending towards personalization and highly targeted audience messaging. That's a trend every marketer should capitalize on. Think of just how much better their lives would be if they had access to the effective content marketing materials. They will begin to see an increase in organic search traffic. The materials enable them to analyze their situation and apply effective solutions based on it. Their sense of fulfillment they will feel after utilizing this simple, yet highly effective package is astounding. Then, just by applying the tips and tricks highlighted in the materials, their return on investment will improve by a great deal. There's more. A simple mental shift will also unlock their success potential for content dissemination. Having recognized their situation, the materials can help them implement the best solutions to improve their content strategy. Finally, they will stop wasting their time and money on quick-fix solutions or thousands of dollars on courses that do not address the real problems. Because a product like this will be the only solution they will need. Despite reading all this, you may still be on the fence. That's fine. As an alternative, you could ignore this offer and continue paying writers, designers and researchers huge sums of money each time you need articles and designs for this evergreen niche. Spending your own precious time writing so-so articles that produce so-so results. Worrying your competitors are stealing market share with their well-structured products. Wondering what it's going to take to experience a big boost in sales. Settling for just imagining your dream vacation, flashy sports car, and bigger home. Or, for the price of a meal you could make use of the effective content marketing and get articles that are proven to increase your sales and profits. The opportunity to earn thousands more in sales for much less than the annual cost of a daily latte. Writers would have charged $200/hour for articles of this quality. The opportunity to earn thousands more in sales for much less than the annual cost of a daily latte. But, don't delay. To take advantage of our introductory offer, you'll want to take action now. Get in before the rate increases. Private label rights terms and conditions. Yes. Can be sold. Can be used for personal use. Can be packaged with other products. Can modify, change the sales letter. Can be added into paid membership websites. Can put your name on the sales letter. Can be offered as a bonus. Can be used to build a list. Can print, publish offline. Can convey and sell resale rights. Can convey and sell master resale rights. Can convey and sell personal use rights. Number. Cannot convey and sell private label rights. Cannot modify, change the main product. Cannot modify, change the graphics and a cover. Cannot be given away for free. Cannot be added to free membership websites. Cannot convey and sell private label rights.